Hey Cancer, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Some of y'all are tired of me talking about people in the past, so listen, I'm tired of my damn self, okay? But I have to keep it 100. Like, this is what I'm seeing, like the energy that I'm picking up. This is definitely somebody from your past. They're wanting to come back because they're realizing that you're the one for them. And this person, I feel like they had a mask on before. Like, they just were not being honest with you. They may have been being sneaky, playing around. And so this person definitely wants to come back in as a new person. I feel like even with the Express Your Love card, they've had a hard time talking to you. Who did I just do that had this same? It's like a lot of people are wanting to reconcile because you're the fourth sign that I've done so far. And I just feel like it's just a lot of people are thinking about reconciling with the one that they know they're supposed to be with. And so Spirit is pushing this person to come and talk to you and tell you how they truly feel, because they've been hiding it. It's just been a lot that's been going on their end. And I feel like for some of you guys, they may have taken it out on you and they didn't mean it. And so this is why this person wants to come back. They know you're it. Let's see how this plays out, because for a lot of them, they feel like you're not going to take them back. They messed up big time. So let's just see how this is going to play out. See, look at that. Wheel of Fortune is at the bottom of the deck. This person, they were going through their karma. They learned their lesson. And I'm telling you, this person wants to move forward with you. I'm telling you. Okay, so the thing is, this person is just not taking a leap right now. Tell me more. Okay, they're not taking a leap. The thing is, they want to give you this offer. I feel like they're in their head. They're in their head about it. So they want to give you an offer. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. If not, I feel like this person now knows who you are to them. They know what they want from you. They know it's like they see the future. Remember, I told you this could be the one. They know that you're all that they ever want and need in their life, and they're going to take a stand and they're going to come forward. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Tell me about this Queen of Cups reverses. This is definitely you guys. Honestly, I'm feeling like your guard is up at this point. Possibly due to secrets in the past, things that were hidden. And it's like you guys are just, it's like, I'm not going to say you don't care, but you don't care. It's like you do care, but you really don't. That makes sense. So it's like your guard is up. You're no longer showing your emotions to this person because they messed up, you know? And I feel like you're doing it out of fear as well, because you're tired of opening yourself up, giving yourself to this person mentally, physically, emotionally, just for them to turn around and ghost you, or for them to turn around and play you, or for them to turn around and just be rude to you, or just treat you any type of way, and you're no longer tolerating that. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces here. But see, this person, whoever messed up, they see it all with you. They want everything with you. They see stability, but there has been an obstacle that's been standing in the way. Look at that. Whatever this obstacle was, it broke your heart. For some of you guys, there could have been another person standing in the way, whether it's a man, woman, family, friends. It could be anything that was standing in the way here. But this person, I'm telling you, they want wish fulfillment with you. They want a family with you. They want to move forward with you. They want it all, Cancer. See, but they cannot stop thinking about what they did in the past. See, they were in their head about it. But see, now they're letting that go. Because see, they really do feel like they lost you. But I feel like they're going to take a stand. They're coming for you, Cancer. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius here, but they know that they just didn't they didn't bring balance in the situation here. So it's like they keep reflecting, which is why I feel like they're not making a move just yet. See? This person was being sneaky in the past. Remember I told you they kept things hidden from you? They were definitely being sneaky in the past, and now this person knows that they need to make some changes if they want to be with you. And see, they're going to communicate to you. They're coming. They're definitely coming to talk to you. Tell me more. But see, they're scared that you don't want to work things out with them. See, I told you. They're scared that they're not going to have a victory with you. Because at this point, they feel like you're no longer going to put anything into a relationship with them, or just whatever situation you had with this person. You're done, you're over, you're tired, and you're now focusing on your stability. I feel like, honestly, for a lot of you, I feel like this person has been watching you, spying on you, just checking you out to see what's going on. And it's like there's something different about you, Cancer, to where it's like you guys have this glow about you. It's like you're healing, you're moving on, you're happy, you know. So now I feel like they're freaking out because they're starting to see that you're going to be fine with or without them regardless of the situation. Cancer, if this isn't you, y'all know it could be vice versa. So maybe Cancer was the one that messed up. So cross watcher, this could be you moving on. So just take it however it fits. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But see, I'm telling you, this person feels like you do not want a new beginning with them. Like, it's a wrap. Like, it's over. See? Yeah, because they didn't bring balance to the situation. I'm telling you, they feel like it's over. And see, it's like they don't want to argue with you anymore. They don't want to have conflict with you anymore. And so the truth is coming out. See, at one point, they had you guys waiting. You were waiting around. I feel like waiting for your ships to come in. And it's like they're getting ready to make a move. Because, see, they want to be with you, but they're in their mind, the way this just came out. They want a commitment with you, Cancer, but at the same time, they feel like you don't want it. So, see, look, I mean, you can't make this up. They're going to rush in. They're going to rush in really fast. Tell me more. They do not want to lose you. I feel like this person does have a hard time, like I was telling you before, talking to you, which is why Express Your Love is here. But the way that this person communicates to you, it could come off really harsh. So, yeah, I'm hearing, yeah. It can come off really harsh. This person just, they don't know how to talk to you or talk to anyone as far as like when it's time for them to show their emotions. See, somebody feels stuck and they're frustrated. This isn't you. This is whoever messed up. I'm telling you, this person has a hard time opening up to you. And they're trying to figure out how to even start this conversation. So this is why right now they're not moving forward. They're not saying anything. Excuse me. I feel like they're trying to decide how to approach you at this point. Because, see, yeah, they messed up. They had other options. There were things around them that just basically caused obstacles, blockages in the way. And, see, this person is very emotional right now. I'm telling you, y'all cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But yeah, y'all cut them off. There's an Aquarius. So somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign here. There's the Aquarius. But I just feel like you guys just don't have hope with this situation anymore. But somebody here isn't using their intuition. Whoever is the one isolating themselves. Could be dealing with a Virgo. But whoever messed up and they're not speaking their truth, they're the ones not using their intuition. See, Judgment is here, reversed. So, I feel like somebody's made a decision. Tell me more. Somebody's coming out of feeling sad about the way things have played out. Yeah, this is a person that messed up. They feel guilty. They definitely feel guilty the way that things have played out between the two of you. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person here definitely wants to bring you an offer. It's a serious offer of commitment here. Didn't I tell y'all? I feel like somebody's watching y'all. This person is watching you because they don't know if they come and give you this offer, if you're going to accept it or not, because they feel like you're just moving on. It's like your energy is completely different if they're around you, if they've been reaching out to you, talking to you, or they're just picking up on you, and they just see you being happy, you know? And they're like, okay, wait a minute, does this person have another man or another woman in their life? Do they even want me? Like, what's going on? See, there's an apology here, but this person just isn't confident. I'm telling you about giving you this offer. They're scared that things may not improve. And they want to balance things out, see? Now they want to put in the work. Look at that. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but this person knows that you're their soulmate. You're the one for them. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here. this fear. This person is scared. They're scared that you're gonna reject them. They're scared you're gonna walk away from them and start moving in a new direction, possibly with someone else. This person wants to start over with you. They do not want you to leave them. Because see, look, they know that your wall is up. They know that you're undecided about them. And you're not even worried about them anymore. And see, that's what's freaking them out. They're scared. It's like, I'm telling you, every time they want to rush back in, they don't. They just don't. They talk themselves out of it, out of fear of rejection. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But at this point, this person is going through some type of transformation. It's like, however they were behaving, that has to be thrown out the window. People that they were around, it's like this person is just definitely going through a transformation where if they want to be with you, they cannot continue to do these old things. And see, I feel like this person had a lot of like pride, you know, and they were stubborn, and they're letting it go because they know that was the main reason why you guys went through a lot of things that you guys went through. And I feel like they tried to push it off like it was your fault, but it was really something that they were battling deep inside. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here, but you guys just look at them like there's no stability with this person because they move slow. This person moves extremely slow to come towards you. But this person definitely wants things to improve with you. But there could have definitely been a third-party situation. And that's why you guys feel like you were stabbed in the back. So, they're making a decision. They are clearing away obstacles. But the thing is, they're scared that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. I'm telling you, they're scared that you're going to reject them if they give you this offer. They feel like you're not going to take it, see? They feel like you're not going to have... You don't want this new opportunity with them because they left you out in the cold. Yep, they were being very childish and immature in the past. Could have been dealing with someone that's younger than you. But it's just overall how they treated you. They know they messed up and that's in their head now. And see, they want things to improve, but they're scared that you do not want this commitment. They're back and forth with the Eight of Pentacles. They want to put in the hard work and dedication to basically make things work with you, Cancer, but at the same time they're not putting in the work because they're scared. They're like, what I'm getting is kind of like, I want this to work, I need this to work, but at the same time I don't want to do all of this, and Cancer or Crosswatcher turns around and plays me like I did to them. You know, I feel that's kind of like what I'm picking up. But that's something that they're going to have to just get over, you know. It's like, if this is your person, then go for it. You know, they ain't had no issues when y'all was sitting there, you know, doing X, Y, and Z and going all the way in with them, and they could have played you, or they were just, you know, messing around, whatever the case was, you know. So that's the whole thing about love relationships. It's like, you can't be like one foot in, one foot out. You need to like jump all the way in, and that's the problem with a lot of relationships these days. So they're gonna have to get over that. And it's like, if they don't go 100% in and fix it, then you guys are gonna walk away and somebody else is gonna come in. Y'all like, that's fine. But yeah, so it's like, I feel like you guys y'all aren't worried about it. You guys are not worried about it anymore. You know, I feel like this person was definitely in their head, but they're trying to come out of that energy, and they're trying to have the strength to come towards you. I feel like for some of you guys, you were dealing with a Leo here, but this person, like I said, they're trying to have the strength to come towards you, but they are having a hard time right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. They could be trying to figure out the truth, like how you feel about them. For some of them, it could be like a court situation that they're going through, and they just don't have a peace of mind right now. Like maybe they're feeling trapped in a situation because they're trying to figure something out first. And whatever situation is going on, it is messing with their finances. So it's like, they're trying to get out of this situation, this third-party situation that they put themselves in. Either which way, they know that you're hurting. They know that you're disappointed. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But the way the Queen of Wands came out, I feel like that's just your energy.